This video, I'm going to show you some simple forex strategy that every forex trader should know by now. All right, so if you don't know this strategy, you should learn it, and it's very simple. It's a layman strategy, so if you know it, you can apply it simply on your chart, and then you'll be able to be trading in profit every single day. So this is what you need to do. You need to subscribe, like this video, and then sit down and watch and understand. Feel free to rewind the video, feel free to rewatch it, feel free to share it to everyone else, feel free to reuse it as well, because this video is, mind you, this is not a financial advice. All right, whatever you do from this video as a result of this video is at your own personal risk. All right, it's at your own risk rather. So please be sure that you are in control of yourself. All right, whatever you want to do after this video. All right, this strategy I'm about to show you here is a strategy that you can add to every other strategy that you have already, but if you apply it independently, it's still okay. So be sure that you know what you are doing. All right, so I have a lot of videos that I've made already on a very detailed strategy, all right, on how to trade. But they are not yet coming up. This one, they'll come up after this one, so you stay tuned to them. Then one more thing is if you need a signal, or maybe you don't you need a signal, all right, signal for your trading. All right, you can check the links below. I've provided links of some top-notch signal software, tested and trusted, so you can check them out and then try them out. They are very good. All right, so see you in the video. Please stay tuned. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that right now. You can see I upload video on cryptocurrency, forex, and whatever that will help you succeed in your life. So please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I have a lot of videos I've made, a lot of content that I've made that will help improve your life, improve whatever you do on a daily basis. You can see there are a whole lot of them, so please just go through them, watch through them, comment. All right, if you have any question, please do well to comment. If you have anything you don't understand, please do well to comment as well, and then probably send me an email if you don't have anything. If you have anything you don't understand that you need my attention, or maybe follow me on Instagram. Okay, my Instagram username is barinoamonday@gmail.com. Sorry, Barinoa TradeX Pro. All right, please, I'll just call in my email. This is my Instagram username. All right, Barinoa TradeX. Barinoa TradeX. So just follow me on Instagram. It's easy to reply messages there than any other places. All right, so let's just dive right into the video. So what I'm going to do is right
ensure
here,
you patiently watch this video till the end, as that could save you some fortunes.
Please do well to, I've already provided some links here. Okay, you can sign up for binary, or you can sign up for derivative. All right, and then they have both MT5 options, so you can use any of them. All right, if you don't understand how to register for MT5 or how to sign up, all right, there are tons of videos I've already provided, so please do well to check them out as well. So right here, the channel I'll be looking at right here is, all right, I'll be looking at our trading view. All right, so if you don't know how to access trading view, just access it from the resources of your binary.com or your deriv.com. all right, if you're using deriv, it's already displayed on the interface, but I have to use this tradingview.binary.com. all right, because it's the analysis is a bit friendly to me. All right, so now let me swipe to a market. All right, this is weekend. I'm recording this video on the weekend, so I have to swipe to a volatility market. All right, let me take it to volatility 100. all right, that's arrow 100. all right, mind you, there are a whole lot of volatility right here. There are arrow 100, arrow 2, arrow 25, arrow 10, and there is a different one, volatility 75 1S index. all right, they all have corresponding volatility that is 1S attached to it. all right, so this strategy that I'm about to show you guys right here is just a simple strategy that most traders already know by now. So I've already prepared a video, an extensive video, telling you more and more about some detailed strategy coming up. But this one here is very, very important, and it can save you a lot, and it will be very much helpful if you pay much attention to it, because this will enhance the strategy you're already using. Okay, all right, there's what they call bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Let me check it out. Bullish engulfing, and then we have bullish engulfing and we have bearish engulfing. Now look at this picture right here. What happened after a bullish engulfing? There is an uptrend, right? There's an uptrend, as you can see in the screenshot. All right, and then what happened after a bearish engulfing? All right, let me come to see. What happened after a bearish engulfing? There is a serious downtrend. All right, I have to click on image so that you see that. Right, so what is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing? Bullish engulfing, let me start with the bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing is a situation whereby the last after the bullish candle formed. All right, mind you, I've mentioned all this before. I've told you what all this terminology means. All right, a bull candle means a green candle. All right, in your forex chart it might display as let's say a white candle. There's nothing in it. All right, just understand. All right, typically it's always depicted with the color color green candle, and a bearish candle is depicted by the color red candle, and a bull candle is a green candle, it's a buy candle, it's an uptrend, it's a core candle. All right, all this terminology, they means the same thing, no differences. Why a bear candle is a sell candle, which is a red candle, it's a downward candle, it's the downward movement rather, and then is a sell. I mentioned sell. You can also call it downward, down close. All right. So now let's look at it. What does it mean when we say there's a bearish engulfing? A bearish engulfing is a situation, all right, whereby the next candle that comes out is a bear, that is a red candle, and engulfs the last green candle that came out, which means it's totally bigger than the last red candle that comes out, which totally depict that, okay, what's going to happen in the market is going to go on what we call a very strong sell. All right, you can see here written here, bearish candle opens at or above the previous candle's close. All right, the length of the bearish candle engulfs the previous green candle. All right, bearish candle closes below previous candles open. So how do you identify a bearish candle? It opens slightly above the large bull candle, and then it engulfs, that is, it grows beyond the last green candle that was formed, and then it closes, you know, up below the last green candle that's formed. All right, you can see that right here. All right, you can see that clearly. All right, now let's take a look at this chart. This is a live chart. Let's look at the typical example of a bearish candle. Now looking at this, I think I might have to increase the resolution of the chart so that maybe you have to see that better. All right, I just increased the resolution right now. All right, so now can you look for a bearish candle right here? Now can you see this here? This is a bearish candle. I hope you are following my cursor. All right, this is a bearish candle. All right, you can see the last green candle. The last green candle is smaller than the red candle. It started above it, slightly above it, and then it closed below it. Can you see that after which there was some little volume of sell? All right, for you to determine how much the volume of sell will be is dependent on the previous Fibonacci retracement, the retracement of the chart, and it's dependent on how the chart is formed, and the trading condition, the price condition, and the current situation of the market, the current period the market is in. All right, so for you to determine whether the bearish engulfing is going to be a long downward bearish engulfing. But you can see here though that it went down and went down. And although here there was a bullish engulfing, but you can't call it much of a bullish engulfing though. All right, but later we are going to talk about bullish engulfing. So let's look for another place where there is bearish engulfing. All right, see, okay, here you can't call this a bearish engulfing. That's not a bearish engulfing.
All right, where's another place? Let's look for another place on the chart where there's a bearish engulfing. All right, okay, let's scroll and scroll, you know. Now look at here, here's a bearish engulfing. Can you see another point here? That's a bearish engulfing. Let's look for more bearish engulfing. Now can you see here is another bearish engulfing. Can you see that after each bearish engulfing there is all the chance of having a sell is very high, very high. So if after this bearish engulfing one enter the trade here, it would have, and you close somewhere here, let's say you close somewhere here around this point here. All right, you will be somewhere down in profit. All right, so that's what bearish engulfing is all about. It's all about a sell, and then this is not a financial advice. Before you know take on this strategy and then take a trade with it, you have to double cross it or double check it with some other strategy as well to see the efficacy, to see how it's going to go. All right, then there's another one here called bullish engulfing. What is bullish engulfing? Let's take a look at what bullish engulfing is. Bullish engulfing is a situation whereby the bullish candle closes above the previous candle's opens, and then the length of the bullish engulfing engulfs the previous red candle. Bullish candle opens at or lower than the previous candle's close. All right, so now this is how bullish engulfing candle forms. All right, now when the candle forms, it will probably jump below, but when it jump below, although there might be some trace of a red candle that will form, but it will eventually retract and then engulfs the red candle and then forms above. When that happens, just know that there's a very likelihood of a buy based on the strategy that you are applying on your chart. All right, this is just all about signal. All right, this particular strategy just give you signal. If you understand this very much and you get this very well, it will tell you, because when you're entering a trade, your point of entry is as important as your point of exit. All right, an entry point is very important, so you also take very good note, a good note at the point that you enter a trade. All right, now look at this. Now this is the bullish engulfing. It engulfs this, and then eventually there was a large trend of buy. So the volume at which the bullish engulfing occurs is also equal the volume at which the market is going to buy, and that also depends on how much the trend is, on how powerful the trend is. Now you can see here there is a bullish engulfing here, and then there's a large buy. All right, look at here, there's a bullish, this one you can't call it a bullish engulfing. All right, although you can call it a bullish engulfing. Now let's look for some more bullish engulfing to see how this works. All right, see bullish engulfing here. Can you see there's a bullish engulfing here? All right, there was a downtrend right here, and then this bullish engulfing was just an indicator, and then there's an uptrend, and then there are more and more. If you go through your chart, you will see more of that. So I hope this strategy helps you in your trading, and I hope you enjoy this video very much. All right, so before I close, you can see this candle forming now. If it ends, all right, if it ends as a bullish engulfing, this one is not going to end as a bullish engulfing, although, because it's already gone a bit farther, and it's the position at which it formed is not a bit below the last the previous red candle, so it's going to still continue a bit on a sell trend. So if you understand this very well, you will be able to really understand when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade. So please do well to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed by now. Like my video so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video further, and make sure that you share this video to someone, and subscribe. See you in my next video.